Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Dunster House TV. Today we visit Ian, who thanks to his awkwardly shaped garden thought he would never have a summer house. That was before, of course, he turned to us.
So my wife and I live in Scarborough. We live in a detached bungalow with a fairly large, albeit sloping garden. And we just felt we wanted better use of the garden, but felt that with the unpredictable weather in the UK, really we want somewhere else to sit, either if the weather was inclement through summer or if it was cold in winter. And we just felt that a summer house would be an ideal addition to the end of the patio.
Please always double check your concrete base is set before you allow your dog to lie on it.
So the whole project gave us somewhere to sit and relax in the garden, enjoy the flowers, enjoy the wildlife, and hopefully give us a year-round area that we can relax in outside of the bungalow.
What do you call a sunbathing dash hound? A hot dog!
We decided that was the one for us. We went for the 45mm logs, which come with double glazed windows and doors. And to make sure it was really warm and cosy, we went for the underfloor insulation and the roof insulation.
With the Avon Log Cabin built and decorated, Ian was ready to use it, but his furry lodgers had other ideas.
My wife and I live with two standard wire-head dash hands. One of them was fairly active throughout the build, supervising what was going on, but as soon as the doors went on and the thing became habitable, they both moved out there and they're making better use of the summer house than we are. They're out there every opportunity, and if they can lay on the rug in front of the door in the sunshine, that's their dream afternoon.
And that's it for another episode of Dunster House TV. Join us again next week as we take a look at another customer's garden. Remember to hit that like and subscribe button so you never miss an episode.